Hello guys, welcome back to my new tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you about Grammarly application. So guys, you can download from Play Store. I will not show you how to download because everyone knows how to download. So guys, I'm gonna show you some customization on Grammarly. If you are going to open, you can see some options right over here: feedback, support, about, account, Grammarly settings. First we are going to start from the first, because the first thing is first. So as you can see over here, you can add your language, you can put some themes. Right now I'm having dark. If you are having dark, you can see the dark theme will come. If you are going to go for white, light theme, you can see over here it changes. So I always prefer for dark, and these two options will be turned on, and you can select your keyboard light. And I always prefer for emoji, and let's see, vibrate on pressing keys. If you are going to turn on this, it will like vibrate. When you will press any key, it will vibrate. It's nothing too much in this. I will always off, and like sound on pressing keys. If you are going to turn on this, it will make a sound when you will press a key. And I always turn this off. Pop-up on keys, I always turn this off. It's your preference, whatever you want. And what we got over here, by default everything is on, so I always prefer for that. Account, if you want you can sign in or sign up for some more kind of things, but it's not necessary. Feedback, if you want to give family something support, it will open a web browser like a new page. And about privacy, it will pop up a page. So guys, it was a quick video. So guys, and that's all in this video. I hope you like. So please leave a like, comment, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye friends.